Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph, and if it's your very first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. And today's video is a super special video because I'm coming live from a university here in Kenya, one of the universities here in Kenya. So it's one of the most productive and informative and also educative video. I'm coming live from this side. So in today's video I'm going to take you a quick tour of how my school look like. You can tell from the other side, man. Look where roads are, how everything is. So you can tell right there, those are the lecture rooms, man. Yeah, so you can see how this school looks like, and it's very nice. So guys, ensure subscribe to this YouTube channel if it's your very first time here, and if you haven't subscribed, hit those red words written subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bells. In any case of an upload, you come to realize that Carl Joseph has uploaded a new video. So guys, let me take you around and show you how this beautiful place looks like, how it is. So this is Moi University main campus here in Eldoret. So you can tell from our roads how everything is. Those are what you call like best hostels, and also we have some water tanks right there. Beautiful roads, beautiful what you call like apartments. So that's the senior common room. That room is for what you call like for the lecture room. So I'm from that room right there, room 31. And also you can tell how beautiful this compound is, man. So as you head this way, those are for the hostels. So this is the route to the hostel. So with me, I'm staying outside the school. So yeah, it was best because when you are inside here, you're not allowed to cook or to carry a gas, any type of what you call like cooking material like gas, also what you call like iron. So heater, you're not allowed to carry due to for the precaution of the schools. Like they usually tend like maybe students can cause fire outbreak. So you can tell right there, they have some students, they are enjoying some what you call like they're enjoying some movies right there. So it's like nice place. We have some ample parking right here. We have some ample parking when you can come if you have what you call like if you have like your car, you can park from this other side right here. You can see. So this how beautiful this school university looks like. So you can see right here they tell you parking. So let me show you. Right here they tell you parking. You see parking. So you can park right here. We have some ample parking. And here guys, like these schools are a lot of we have so many kilometers. You can walk around this school and you can't even go half of it because it is very we have some other annex to the other side. So those are so the other one is my lecture, the other one right there, and those are students. So others are coming out of the class with me. I had a book here as I was writing. It was like a productive day, so you can tell how everything is around, man. Very nice. So you can tell from even the buildings, very good, really nice. And also you can tell from the flowers, you can tell from the other side. So we have so many buildings around here. We have amazing trees. And one thing I love about this school is like that it has some natural trees. When I say about natural trees, is like the indigenous trees. So the indigenous trees. So you can tell how beautiful it is from the other side. And this place is super cold. The climate here, the weather conditions here, like very cold. So the other side, let me change just to show you. So this side right here is where students sit and enjoy the Wi-Fi. You can tell from the other side, students are just sitting on the other side and enjoying the Wi-Fi. So that's why we have the Wi-Fi, and you can tell it's late evening right here, and you can tell right here, man, you look students having their nice time. So you can tell even from the other side. So I want to be showing you, these are the newly constructed what you call like hostels. These are the newly constructed hostels right here. You can tell how they look like. So these are the ladies hostels, and you can tell from the other side. So these are the pavements. These are the pavement from the other side. Whoa! So you can tell how you conjoin these pavements are conjoined from the other side, deep down. So you can tell right here. We have also some Wi-Fi boosters up there. So you see how they are. Look. So these are the what you call like the girls' hostels. So they're called Professor Shelemaya. Yeah, Professor Shelemaya. She was one of the students here. So she decided to build this after she finished school and she got her job. Yeah, so those are what you call like the girls' hostels. And also these are the newly constructed hostels right here. But there are not yet students in because the construction is still under. The buildings are still under construction. Right here you can see we have some fire assembly point right there. And I love the fact that the trees here are really indigenous. You can tell even from this tree, really indigenous. And also you can tell it right here. These are newly constructed hostel, but the students have not yet gone in. Yeah, so this is how beautiful this place is. This is how beautiful my school looks like. So with me, I'm taking what you call like filming in general and videography and filming. So you can tell even from this tree, it's really look indigenous. Look. Ooh, up to the other side, you see, really indigenous. And also I love the fact that every place here, each and every place here, it has this pavement. So when it rains, you're good to go. So no muddy. You can tell right there. So that's a mosque. Those are boys hostels. And the other side, so you see right here, for these buildings right here, it's still under construction. They have not yet finished it. You can tell how it is. Up to the other side. Yes, so it is a quick tour. Of this school, how it looks like. So also these are the boys hostels right here. These are the boys hostels right here. Man, it's really nice. So guys, let me know in the comment section if such places exist back home, or how do your university look like. So with me, I'm taking you around this amazing place, amazing, beautiful compound of this school of ours right here, because no one will just take you. So this, let me show you, this is called Soweto House. So this Soweto House is where you can come. Soweto House is where you can come and serve food by yourself right here. You serve food by yourself right here. You eat and you're good to go right inside there. So for now, I'm not able to take you because the time is not allowing me. So let me take you around this place. So you have seen right here, it's called Soweto House. Yeah, so the other place, like the other site you see right there, it used to be those are now the buildings that were started here, you know, those external ablution blocks. So those are external ablution block, and they are maybe say the latrines, because when I say toilets, I want to be clear. So the latrines and what you call like the bathrooms. So those were the fastest ablution blocks here in Moi University. And you can tell from the roof of this place, look, it's really nice. Look at this place, man. Also, when you're just walking from the other end to this end, you are not going to be rained on. When it's rain or sunny, you're not going to feel that much sun because they provide the shelter right here. You can tell, look up to the far end right there. It's really nice, really amazing. And you can tell right here, these are now the boys hostel. Look, the boys hostels. So those are the boys hostels. And right here is just a beautiful, amazing flowers all over, you see, man. And these flowers look traditional because these flowers right there back in our village we used to have these flowers, but nowadays back in my village I've never seen those flowers. Nowadays I see these because these are now in popular in my village, this kind of flowers right here, but the other one, they are not right there. So you see how beautiful this place is. Look, wow, look at the roofing of this place, look at the ceiling. It's really nice, made really good. So you see even from the other side, those are also boys, what you call like boys hostels. But nowadays mostly like most of the students are not in because of what you call like the strict rules of you not cook in school, you have to eat in that Soweto house. So it's really expensive compared to one where one is cooking by himself, you know, by herself. So this tend to make most of students to get out of these hostels because they are denied what you call like, they are denied the access to cook, they are denied the access to iron their clothes, they are denied the access to use heaters because the school tend to think or tend to make some precaution because they think that students may cause the fire outbreak due to using what you call like those applications, you know. Yeah, so that tend to make most of the students to get out of school and to have another house outside, you know. So mostly we have what you call like the ones who are here are the what you call like the one students who are just in these hostels are the first years and some of the few second years, you know. Yes, so up here is what you call like so this is the door to the hostel. Right here you can go up to the hostels right there. So up here we have a mosque right here, so that's called mosque, hostel, mosque. Yeah, that's how everything is. So you can see right here we have washing the taps right here, and this clean water right here, clean water, you know. That's one thing I love about this school. You see these washing taps all over. You can wash your hands wherever you come out or you go in to this school. You understand that? So that's it. You tell how beautiful my school is around. Very, very beautiful. Yes guys, so I want to say thank you so much for being on my channel, and if it's your very first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Let me know what do you think about this amazing tour around this school. Let me know, do such places exist back in your countries, or how do your university or college looks like? Let me know in the comment section right below, and I really appreciate or rate this type of life here, you know. Yes, so thank you so much guys, and sure subscribe to this YouTube channel if it's your very first time, and share with your friends, and also hit that like button because that's the best way to make this channel navigate to go around, you know. Yeah, so thank you so much and bye bye. Let's meet the next amazing content.